Hey, so in this series of videos, I'll be creating a blogging site from using Flask. So for that, I'll be using what I called a multiple file method of creating a Flask app. So in this particular video, I'll show that file structure of creating this multiple file method. For that, I'll first create a app.py app folder, and inside I'll go inside this app folder, and inside this app folder first I'll create two more folders, that is template, template templates, and static. I have already explained why these two folders are important in Flask. So uh, with these I'll create some Python files. First will be underscore init underscore dot py. This will tell Python that this app is actually an package or module, whatever you want to call it. I'll create a routes.py file. This file will store all of our Flask routes, and I'll create a models.py file. This file will create models regarding database. I'll create a forms.py file. This will contain all of the WT forms and stuff. And yeah, let's just create these many files. So here are my files and folder. With this, I'll create a new folder, that is admin. For now, I actually don't know if this is going to be a folder or just a single file, since admin work can be done in single file. I don't know that as of now. So for being on a safe side, I'll just create a folder, and let me show the file structure. So this not this is file structure. Wait. So let me go one directory up, and I'll create a run.py file, and now I'll open up Vim. So yeah, this is our folder structure. Inside admin, we have this init forms models.py file and admin static and template folder. And in this run.py file, I'll import this app folder and we'll run flask from here, or I can do flask run. But flask run is just for production, not for deployment. For deployment, I'll be using this run.py file. So let's just create a bare minimum app, and I'll explain few things with that. So I'll do from flask import capital flask, and I'll do app equals flask and underscore name. We all know why this underscore name is required over here. And here I'll do from app uh, import routes, but not right now. So yeah, this we have created our flask app. Now I'll create a route. So to create a route, we need that app instance of our flask class. Our flask class instance, that is app whatever. So let's just import that. I'll do from app import app. So that flask class instance has been imported. Now to create an get route, what we need to do is app.get and slash. We'll pass on a function. I'll call it home with no arguments and return hello world. So this is our bare minimum flask app. Now we have created this route, but there is no way of telling Flask that we have created this route. So for that, what we do is here we write from app import routes, because Flask run will run only this app and this underscore py file. And since we have imported routes here, uh, this this route will also get registered in our Flask app. So the reason why we have imported it after declaring our app is because since we are importing our app here, this it may cause circular import. So let me explain this. When our Flask app will run this init.py file, first it will go to this line, it will import Flask, it will create an instance of that Flask class in this app variable, and now if it will import this routes.py file. When it goes to route.py file, there is it says that it requires app instance, and it says that since I have just already came from this app underscore init.py file, I already know what this app is, and it will create this route. But let's say if we change this here to here, if we create it change its position and we bring it in on top. So now what will happen is when this file will run by Flask, it will import Flask class, and now it will look for routes.py file. So it will go to this routes.py file. It will go to this apps again by saying that, oh, I haven't seen this app. Oh, actually, it has seen this app file, and I haven't seen any app variable inside that file. So it will throw an error saying that this app variable cannot be found. That is the reason why we create this file after we initialize our app. So I hope you got it, but if not, let me know in the comments. I'll probably make another video to explain this circular import thing. So now if I quit it, oh yes, of course I want to write all files. And before running it, let me create a virtual environment. So I'll do pip env install flask, and it is installing flask. Okay, now I'll do pip env shell, and I'll go inside this pip env shell. I'll just bring this up. Now if I do flask run, this should work perfectly fine. I'll open up the browser. Here I'll go to localhost port 5000, and we should see hello world. Yes, you are seeing it. So yeah, let me show you our structure again to make things clear. So yeah, this is our structure now, and this is our init.py file. We'll be creating all of those extensions and configuring variables over here. Maybe I'll need one more file, that is configure.py. So I'll add another file, that is config.py. Oh yeah. Oh, these are errors. Okay, I'll create it from outside. No issues, bro. I'll do can be a touch app and config.py. Yeah, so let's cd in the app and do ls. So, yeah, these are the file structure.